Are you considering a cooker hood without a chimney for your kitchen? Also known as ductless or recirculating range hoods, these appliances offer a practical solution for many homeowners and renters. But is it the right choice for you? Let's dive into their functionality. Ductless range hoods filter air through charcoal or carbon filters, recirculating it back into the kitchen. Now, on to the advantages. These hoods are incredibly flexible, fitting into various kitchen layouts, including apartments where external venting isn't feasible. However, they do have drawbacks. Maintenance is key. Regular cleaning and filter replacements are necessary to keep them efficient. Consider your cooking habits, kitchen layout, and budget before deciding. If your cooking produces significant smoke or odors, a ducted hood might be more suitable. For expert advice on choosing the best appliance for your needs, reach out to Top Appliance Repair Burnaby. Make an informed choice for a fresher kitchen atmosphere.